Hello travelers, this is a review of the 2019 edition of Outlier's New Way shorts. These shorts are what got me into techwear and the Outlier brand for the first time in 2014. I've since owned the 2015 edition and now the 2019 edition over the years. Each pair retains the F-cloth material and the water-resistant coating. The New Ways are quick drying and have a simple clean style, meaning you can wear them in a wide variety of situations. Comparing my 2015 edition here in a deep grey color and a size 29 to the 2019 edition, also deep grey but a size 31. The main difference between these two is that the new version has front pockets which are entirely made from a mil-spec flow-through mesh material. This is great because the old ones used to balloon up a bit with water when you jumped in for a swim. That doesn't happen with these new ones. The old ones also tended to collect a bit more sweat as it blocked the airflow a little bit. The new flow-through mesh allows for a much more comfortable experience overall and still feels very good to put your hands into. One of the best things about the New Way shorts, and why it attracted me in the first place, is just how versatile they are. They are a really clean, sleekly designed pair of shorts that you can wear and look good while out and about in the city. They also look great at a pool party and also look great when you wear them at the beach. An example scenario of how versatile they are would be wearing them at a picnic at the beach, then going for a quick swim, rinsing off and just continuing to wear them while they dry. They dry quickly, within about 2 hours or less, depending on the conditions. These shorts are the perfect do-it-all shorts for travel in my opinion. I've been traveling with a pair of New Ways ever since I first tried them back in 2014. Often while traveling I'll wear them to sleep in, for working out, wearing around town and for swimming. The two-way stretch F-cloth material makes them very comfortable for all these activities too. F-cloth is a Swedish fabric made from 97% nylon and 3% elastane. But these aren't anything like cheap nylon shorts. They don't make a swishy sound and they don't feel slippery. They have a soft cotton-like hand feel and drape very nicely. In terms of pricing, they are on the high end, especially for a pair of shorts. I remember thinking who would pay that for a single pair of shorts, but once you factor in how many situations and how much use and versatility you can get out of these shorts, the price starts to make sense. They are $125 US, which actually makes them one of the more affordable items that Outlier makes. And I can't recommend them highly enough. I've tried several other pairs of techwear shorts that claim to do it all, but none of them are quite as stylish or as comfortable as the New Ways. In terms of fit, I've actually had quite a bit of trouble finding the perfect fit with the New Ways previously. I originally tried the size 29 and the size 30 when I first got them back in 2014, and I settled on the size 29 for a more slim fit. But over 2015 and now, I think the waistband has been slightly redesigned in such a way as that the shorts are meant to sit a little bit lower on the waist. So with the 2019 edition, the size 30 fits me perfectly across the waist, but it's ever so slightly tight through the seat. The size 31 is also slightly loose around the waist, but fits more comfortably through the seat. If you're in between sizes or not sure, I would suggest getting 2 sizes and returning the pair that doesn't fit quite as well. The size 30 is about 15.7 inches across, while the size 31 is about 16.5 inches across. The fit is about the same as the 2019 Futureworks pants, and I think a size up from the slim dungarees sizing. But do keep in mind that the slim dungarees tend to stretch out a bit with wear, whereas the F-cloth material on the New Ways won't stretch out much if at all. One more thing to note is that the New Way shorts have a built-in hidden waist cord so that you can have a firmer fit without the need for a belt. This is especially useful when wearing them as swim shorts. Overall, I really love the New Way shorts from Outlier, and I definitely recommend them to anyone interested in a do-it-all pair of shorts, or for those looking to get into one-bag travel. The current batch comes in 4 colors, and my favorite are the blue AF and deep grey. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments which of the 2 shorts you thought fit better, the size 30 or the size 31, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.